How to create a shared folder in Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Drive application, log in with your account details and go to File section at the bottom right corner. Click on New and click on Folder, name your shared folder and click on Create. Then after click on the three dots above the folder and go to Manage Access. Simply go to Change in Restricted and go to the Only People Add Can Open to anyone with link. In this way you will be able to share this folder with a lot of people. But if you want, you can also change their position. After that, if you want to share this folder with only limited number of people, firstly change this restriction to back again. Go to Share and now you can simply particularly add their Gmail account and send them an invite as an editor in this folder. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.